In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design a book cover with Figma. We'll keep things simple and clean so you can follow along. Even if you are just getting started, open Figma and create a new frame by pressing the F key. Set the dimensions to 1600 by 2560 pixels, which is a great vertical size for an ebook cover. Think of this like your canvas. It's helpful to zoom out and imagine how it will look as a small thumbnail, since many readers first see covers at a reduced size. Leave some comfortable margins so no important elements sit too close to the edges. Next, bring in your visuals. Drag and drop images or illustrations directly into the frame. If you are exploring ideas, you can use a plugin like Book Cover Importer to pull reference covers from Open Library for inspiration. Always use assets you have the right to use and keep your subject clear and focused. Scale and crop images by double-clicking and adjusting the bounding box so the focal point sits where you want it, often near the upper or middle third of the frame. Now add your typography, the book title and the author's name. Create clear hierarchy by making the title the star large, bold, and highly readable. A bold serif works wonderfully for the title, paired with a clean sans serif for the author's name to add contrast and sophistication. Pay attention to spacing, tighten or loosen letter spacing as needed, and keep line breaks intentional. Test readability by zooming out. If the title is legible at a glance, you are on the right track. With your elements on the page, build depth through layering and effects. Use simple shapes, like a rectangle behind the title, to separate text from busy imagery. Subtle gradients can guide the eye. Try a soft top to bottom fade to spotlight the center. Add gentle shadows to text or key elements to lift them from the background, but keep it restrained so it feels polished, not heavy. Reorder layers as needed in the sidebar and align elements to keep everything balanced and intentional. When you are happy with the layout and contrast, it's time to finalize and export. Select the frame. Go to the Export panel and choose PNG for crisp text or JPG for smaller file sizes. Pick the quality you need. Give the file a clear name and export. That's your book cover, ready to share or upload. Thanks for watching.